emotions are low and resentment rise high, but emotions won't grow, and we're changing our way, taking different roads. And love will tear us apart again. Love will tear us apart again. Why is the bedroom so cold? Turned away on your side. Is my timing that flawed? Our respect runs so dry. Yet there still is a feel that we've kept through our lives. Love will tear us apart again. Love will tear us apart again. You cry out in your sleep, all my failings exposed. Yet a taste in my mouth as desperation takes hold. Just said something so good